Alright, let's settle this once and for all. Fact or myth? Cracking your knuckles causes arthritis. What do you think? Is this true or just another health myth? Drop your answer in the comments before we reveal the truth. And the truth is: myth. Cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. The popping sound is just gas bubbles bursting in your joints, completely harmless. Surprised? Let us know in the comments. And if you love busting health myths, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more. Visit amblemedicalservices.com for more healthcare facts.